Today we're at the Beckton Parks. We've just engaged in a massive rewilding programme. It's really lovely to see so many different species of bees, butterflies and other insects here, and it's really lovely to see this new pathway along with the rewilding taking its form. This is really important for our biodiversity, our ecology, and also attracting different insects that wouldn't usually come to this part of the borough or at all. It's really, really important that we promote that biodiversity and ecology.
What does the landscape actually do? And if you have a lot of grass, does it really help the pollinators? Not really. And so this habitat has been very thoughtfully put together to help all types of different invertebrates, different pollinators, different bugs, and then ultimately, then new birds come in and new species come in. It gets really exciting.
It's incredible to see the council sort of embracing this. We need these habitats in our urban landscapes. In London we have rare bumblebees, so they need to be able to thrive in these landscapes. So by creating habitat like this, creating these wildflower meadows, we can support them to survive. And excitingly, we've just recorded one, so we found a brown-banded carder using this meadow today. Across the UK, we've lost 97% of our wildflower meadows. So what's really important and what people can do is to put in those flowers. That's what they're missing from the landscape. So if you have a garden, if you have just a window box, you can plant some flowers there that are friendly for bees. They can come and visit, and it can be that little pollinator pit stop that they need to move through the landscape.
So Beckton Meadows has been created with funding from Rewild London. We have created nearly 2 acres of wildflower meadow. We also have created a new pathway through the space, so the Queen Elizabeth Memorial Pathway. It was opened earlier this year. So that's been really beautifully designed to interact with the meadows. So you've got little branches that come off the pathway and then connect up with mown roots. And we've got 3 really beautifully designed deadwood sculptures that are positioned within the space itself. It's really important to have a balance of habitat, not just the wildflower meadows, but also to have other habitat for the caterpillars, other nectar sources, and sort of habitat for all kinds of pollinating insects.
So yeah, we've been supporting Newham Council improve their biodiversity. So yeah, they've been doing a lot of good work trying to improve the different sites for nature to support breeding populations of common blue butterflies, for example. So as this space develops with all the colour here and the butterflies and the bees, it's a lovely place to come and sort of relax and connect with nature.
Beckton Meadows is one of the first projects to be implemented through the Beckton Parks Master Plan that was co-designed with local residents. The Master Plan was approved by Cabinet in January to improve the park over the coming years.
I'm really excited to be here today because we've launched the first part of our Beckton Parks Master Plan. You can find out more about the Master Plan at one of your local libraries. You can pick one of these up or find out more information online.